Zakynthos is one of the most visually stunning islands in Greece. Known for its glowing turquoise water, dramatic white cliffs, and hidden coastal gems, this island feels like something out of a movie. Some beaches here are lively and easy to access. Others are hidden, quiet, and require effort to reach. But every single one offers something unique. Let's explore 8 of the best beaches in Zakynthos. Now more detailed and immersive. Beach number 8, Tsilivi Beach. Tsilivi Beach is one of the most popular and comfortable beaches on the island. The sand is soft and golden, and the water is calm and shallow, making it perfect for swimming, especially if you want something easy and relaxing. Because of its gentle shoreline, you can walk far into the sea before it gets deep, which makes it ideal for families and beginners. The beach is also full of life. You'll find restaurants, cafes, beach bars, and water sports activities all around. Even though it's busy, it never feels overwhelming. It's the kind of place where you can relax, swim, and enjoy a full beach day without any hassle. Beach number 7, Alykes Beach. Alykes Beach offers a more peaceful and open environment. It stretches for a long distance, giving you plenty of space to find your own spot and relax. The sand is soft, and the water is shallow and warm, perfect for long, comfortable swims. The calm sea makes it ideal for floating, walking in the water, or just enjoying a slow day under the sun. There are also small cafes nearby, but the overall vibe remains quiet and relaxed. It's perfect if you want to escape busy crowds and enjoy a more laid-back atmosphere. Beach number 6, Xigia Beach. Xigia Beach is one of the most unique beaches on the island. What makes it special is the natural sulfur springs that mix into the seawater. Because of this, the water has a slightly different smell and a silky feeling on the skin. Many people believe it has natural healing properties. The beach itself is small and surrounded by cliffs, giving it a more private and hidden feel. The water is bright blue and very clear, creating a strong contrast with the white rocks around it. It's not a place where you stay all day, but it's definitely a place you should experience at least once. Beach number 5, Gerakas Beach. Gerakas Beach is not just beautiful, it's also one of the most important natural areas on the island. This beach is part of a protected zone where the endangered loggerhead sea turtle comes to lay its eggs. Because of this, the environment is kept very clean, quiet, and natural. The sand is soft and golden, and the water is shallow, warm, and very calm. There are no loud parties or heavy activities here, which makes the beach feel peaceful and relaxing. It's the perfect place if you want to enjoy nature and experience a calm, protected environment. Beach number 4, Porto Limnionas. Porto Limnionas is completely different from typical sandy beaches. It's a rocky cove surrounded by steep cliffs, with deep blue water that looks incredibly clear and inviting. There's no sand here. Instead, you'll find stone platforms and natural rock formations. This place is perfect for swimming, diving, and snorkeling. The water is deep and cool, and the clarity allows you to see far below the surface. It feels wild, natural, and untouched, like a hidden spot that hasn't been changed by tourism. Beach number 3, Banana Beach. Banana Beach is one of the largest and most lively beaches in Zakynthos. It has a long stretch of soft sand and clear water, making it perfect for both relaxing and having fun. This beach is known for its energy. You'll find water sports, beach bars, music, and a social atmosphere. Despite being popular, the size of the beach means you can always find space to relax. The water here is clean and refreshing, and the waves are usually gentle. It's a great place if you want a mix of relaxation, activity, and a lively beach vibe. Beach number 2, Kalamaki Beach. Kalamaki Beach offers a calm and comfortable experience. The sand is soft, and the water is shallow and warm, making it perfect for long swims and relaxing in the sea. Like Gerakas, this beach is also part of the protected turtle nesting area, so it remains clean and well-preserved. The atmosphere here is quiet and peaceful, without too much noise or crowding. It's a great place if you want a simple, relaxing beach day with natural surroundings. Watching the sunset here is also a beautiful experience, as the sky reflects softly on the calm water. Beach number 1, Navagio Beach. Navagio Beach, also known as Shipwreck Beach, is one of the most iconic beaches in the world. Hidden between massive white cliffs, This beach feels like a secret place created by nature. In the center of the beach lies a famous shipwreck, which adds a dramatic and unforgettable visual. The sand is bright white, and the water is a glowing shade of turquoise that almost looks unreal. You can only reach this beach by boat, which makes the experience even more special. When you arrive, the cliffs rise high around you, creating a powerful and cinematic atmosphere. It's not just a beach, it's one of those places you never forget. Zakynthos is not just a destination. It's an island of contrasts, calm bays, wild cliffs, hidden coves, and some of the clearest water you'll ever see. Every beach here feels different. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who loves travel. And tell me in the comments, which Zakynthos beach would you visit first?